Alrighty, Brandon. So today we're going to be teaching you how to jump rope. Alright? So we're going to be working on first the multi-limb and coordination. We're going to start by doing jumping jacks. Then we're going to move on to doing the jumping phase of it. So we're going to be doing a couple reps of just doing jumps like this. Right? Then we're going to work on the swinging phase of the jump rope, in which you're just going to be doing reps front and back, just practicing on the swing. And then at the end, we're gonna put it all together. We're gonna put it all together at the end, okay, Brent? So we're gonna start with the jump rope. We're actually just gonna do 20 reps of jumping jacks, and that way we can work on your multi-limb movement and coordination. Alrighty, so you ready? Alright, let's start. Let's go 20 reps. Ready, set, go. 1, 2. So we're actually in a closed environment because nothing is going to be affecting the way that you are doing any of these movements. But we are going to be using a closed loop motor control because you're going to be using feedback that I give you and feedback of yourself doing the movement to help you adjust and not stumble while jump roping, okay? Perfect. So now that we got that out the way, we're going to focus a lot on the next phase. We're going to focus on the jumping. Make sure that we're staying on our tippy toes because when jump roping, you don't want to land flat on the floor. So stay on our tippy toes, and then we're just going to do reps of jump. And we're going to do 20 reps just like this, okay? Perfect. Alrighty. Ready, set, go. And you actually have an underlying ability that allows you to do all these movements, which is multi-limb coordination. You're able to control different limbs and be coordinating them at the same time, which is allowing you to do this jump, and it's going to allow you later to put everything together without you stumbling on the jump rope. Alrighty? Perfect. Alrighty, so now we're going to move on to the swinging phase, which is going to be, as I said earlier, you're just going to grab the jump rope, we're going to go front, we're going to go back, and that's going to be 1 rep. We're going to do 20 reps, okay? Just front and back. All right? Here we go. And so in this, you're actually using a positive near transfer. The reason it's a positive near transfer is because you are actually a basketball player. So a lot of the stuff, the movements that you do in basketball, you are transferring those movements now to jump roping. For example, in basketball, you jump and you shoot a ball at the same time. So it takes multi-limb coordination and being able to do 2 movements and coordinating for 1 result, which is what you're doing when jump roping as well. So this time you're jumping, but instead of shooting the basketball like you would in basketball, like you're used to, you're just swinging a rope over and under you, right? Perfect. Alrighty. So now that we've worked on that, now we're going to put all the components together and we're going to jump rope now, okay? So what we're going to do, like we practiced everything earlier, now you're just going to do jump rope, and we're going to do our ultimate goal is for 100 reps in under 2 minutes. But today, for our process goal, we're just going to try to do 5 reps in under 10 seconds, okay? Alrighty, so what we're going to do is just ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright? You're going to do it just like that, but you're going to try to do 5 reps in under 10 seconds. And really focus on staying on your tippy toes when jumping and getting the full swing motion. Yes. And then one thing that we are adjusting for you, since you are a very tall person, usually like when I do jump rope reps, I use my wrist. For you, we're gonna do the whole swinging motion like we were working at, so that way you don't stumble with your head on the rope, okay? Alrighty. Ready, set, go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We're gonna do 5 more reps, and I really want you to focus on your form. You know, make sure you stay on your toes. Make sure that you have the whole swinging face down, and make sure that you try to focus on keeping your feet close to each other as well, so that you don't accidentally hit the jump rope as you're jumping. Okay? So ready? We're just gonna do 5 more reps. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And that is how you jump rope. Great job, man.